everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Layered with Lace, which is a bralette subscription. This is either monthly or bi-monthly, which I love. It's $18 per month, and you get a bralette each month or every other month. And they do have a code, it's non-affiliated, it's Kitty in all caps to save you $8 on your first month, so you can get your first bralette for only $10. So thank you, Layered with Lace, for providing that code for my viewers. They are amazing. I love you guys. I hope you're well. Let's see what's inside. The wait is over. Yay. Probably should have cut this before starting, but welcome, guys. Thank you again to everyone who checked in on me during the hurricane. You guys are so amazing. Oh, I can already tell I like the color. And each month there's a different style, which is really great. I have opened the subscription before, so if you want to search on my page to see the bralettes I got in the past, you can do so. They're all so cute. And they have sizes, well, it's small through 3X on their website. You can buy individual pieces in their shop there, but the subscription is small through XL, and XL fits like through 36GG or 38G, just for reference. Oh my God, this is so cute. Let me get this out of the way. Make sure you can see this okay. I love this. It looks like there might be some little pads in here I'll probably take out. This is so soft. Let's look at the back now. I really like this. It's stretchy and comfy. Oh my God, that fabric. Let's look at the tag. Let's see. Yeah, you can take those little pads out if you want to. I feel like those only last like one time for me if I do have them in. I'll probably take them out. They sent me the medium/large, and I have like 36D boots probably, and they've been fitting me every time I get this. So it's made out of 92% nylon and 8% spandex. It says hand wash. Do not wring, do not bleach, and line dry. You guys, this is so comfy. I love this color. Is this like mauve, would you say? Like, I wish you guys can be like, this is what I like. I don't like bras, especially with wire. I find them extremely uncomfortable, too tight. I just can't stand them. But bralettes are one thing I could totally wear. And they're kind of cute, like if you want to, you know, they show a little bit underneath what you're wearing, or you just like wear this with like leggings or something like that when you do yoga at home. I don't know. I love this look. I think this is the first pair I got with some padding in it. I know some people like that. So it's optional. You can take it out. But yeah, this is the bralette. I really like it. So cute. Again, here is the back. So that's it for today, guys. I think this is super cute. Again, I've liked all the bralettes I received in the past from this brand, from the subscription. Highly recommend. So I will link them down below. Again, it's not an affiliate link and it's not an affiliate code. It's just to help you guys out. So normally $18, but you can get your first month for $10. But yeah, quick video today. Love it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you're doing. And I will see you tomorrow, which will be likely Wheel Wednesday or a mega unboxing, because I have a lot of boxes that I have piled up during the hurricane when I was gone out of town before that. So I would love to know your opinion, what you prefer. Do you like single unboxings or mega unboxings, Wheel Wednesday, or just regular mega unboxings? Whatever you prefer, I would love to hear, because your opinion matters here. I love you. Have a great day. Thanks for being here. Bye.